I declare I will never get over what His grace has done for me. I declare I will spend a lifetime singing of His mercy free. Every morning that I open up my eyes and breathe the air, I declare His grace is present. I declare His love is there. Forever grateful, that is what I'll be. Forever standing in the grace that set me free. I declare that all my days and all my nights, forever grateful for His mercy and His light. I declare that when I reach the other side of this life, I will still be singing of the mercy that was mine. What He gave me was not earned by anything I've done. Forever grateful for the grace that overcame. 1,000 years would not be long enough to thank Him. 1,000,000 songs would not be words enough to praise Him. But I'll spend every breath that's left inside of me declaring I am grateful, declaring I am free. Grateful, grateful, forever grateful. Grateful, forever grateful. For His grace, for His mercy, forever I declare I will always be grateful, always. When you cannot make sense of the road you're walking on, when your own understanding has left you feeling wrong, there is wisdom in the letting go of what you think you know. Trust in Him with all your heart and let His rivers flow. Lean not on what you understand. Lean not on your own plan. He's here. The path that seems so crooked to your natural eye is being made straight beneath the more sovereign sky. His thoughts are higher and His ways are deeper still. Trust Him, trust Him. Lean into His will. He sees the end from the very beginning. He knows the place where your story is winning. So give Him the weight of what you cannot bear. Lean not on yourself. Lean into His care. Lean in. Lean into the arms of the one who holds all things. Lean in, trust Him. Lean in.
I declare today that I am not what the sickness says. I declare today I will not bow beneath its weight. I open up my mouth and I speak life over these bones. I declare I am healed. I am not alone. I declare my healing in the name of the Lord. I declare His promises are my weapon and my sword. What was meant to destroy me has no power over me. I declare my healing. I declare I am free. I declare that every chain the enemy has laid must bow to the authority of the blood that has been paid. I will not be silent. I will lift my voice and say, I declare my healing. I receive it today. By His stripes I am healed. I declare it. By His word I am sealed. I declare it. Death has no
stretches long, and heaven feels so far. When I wonder if he sees me right here where I are, I declare through every doubt and every lonely night that I am not forgotten. I am in his sight. I am not forgotten. I am not unseen. I declare he knows my name and what my suffering means. He has not abandoned me to carry this alone. I am not forgotten. I am coming home. I declare that even Lazarus was raised up from the tomb, even when it seemed too late. There was still room. He is never early, and he's never ever late. I am not forgotten. I declare I'll wait. He calls the stars, each one by name. How much more does he know my pain? I declare he holds my tears in his hand. I am not forgotten. He understands. Lord, in a world of 7 billion voices crying out to you, you hear the sound of my one whisper. You know what I'm going through. You knew me in my mother's womb before a word was formed. You know my name. I trust you through the storm. You know my name. Every fear, every dream. You know my name. Every hidden and unseen. Nothing about my life is lost or overlooked by you. You know my name, and I trust you. When I feel like just a number in the crowd of human need, when I wonder if my prayers rise past the ceiling to be freed, you remind me that you call the stars, each one by name at night. How much more do you see me in your sight? You call me chosen, you call me loved, you call me covered, you call me trust in you.
Trust you. I trust
There were moments I should not have made it through alive, when the weight of everything was pulling me from the drive. But something stronger than my weakness held me through the night. He kept me in his sight. He kept me when I couldn't keep myself. He kept me when I had nothing else. Through every storm that tried to drown me in its deep, His grace and mercy, He kept me. When the doctor said there wasn't any hope, I remember when the grief came and I couldn't find the rope. But the God of all my yesterdays was faithful through it all. He kept me from the fall.
Kept me.
Look at me breathe.